If you eat pineapple every day, what exactly does it do to your body? It's a secret the doctor never wants to tell you first. You'll lose weight. Pineapple is rich in water and fiber, which helps you feel full and boost your metabolism. Its low-calorie properties also make it an ideal weight loss food. Your digestive system will be better off because pineapple contains bromoprotease, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and promotes digestion, making the process easier. Please bookmark the video before it disappears. It strengthens your bones. Pineapples are rich in manganese, a mineral that is essential for bone formation. But that's not all. Your skin will become smoother because the vitamin C in pineapple helps in the production of collagen, which is necessary to keep skin soft and youthful. Finally, it improves vision. Pineapple contains beta-carotene, which may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Learn more about health with me. Forward this video to your pineapple-loving friends